Hi, my name's Mike. I'm one of the owners of Benito's, the home of real Mexican food. Today I'm going to teach you how to make tacos with slow-cooked pork shoulder. So, to make your tacos, you take your warmed tortillas, your braised pork, your lettuce, your jack cheese, the pico de gallo that you made earlier, the guacamole you made earlier, lime, of course, and then you have your two salsas, Brava and Verde. So take your warm tortillas. If you have a rack, put them on a rack or on a plate, in a bowl, however you want to do it. Then take your gorgeous pork, followed by your lettuce, then your jack cheese, your pico de gallo, healthy dollops of guacamole, and then here I'm using the salsa verde, which is slightly milder, squeeze of lime, and I'm serving with tortilla chips and a nice flourish of sour cream to finish. And there you have braised pork tacos.